Alright guys, what's up? And welcome back to another installment of Solo Garage. So, we're here to talk about Project Adam today. I'd actually already recorded this, but had some audio recording malfunction. Definitely might need to replace this Rode microphone pretty soon. So, a couple weeks back, I was in a small wreck. And unfortunately, Project Adam got more damage than it already was by the deer. So I was coming out of Cookout, which is a fast food chain restaurant around here. The front lane had actually stopped for me to pull out, but I guess the second lane hadn't noticed, and when I pulled out, I ran into an older lady's Buick, if I'm not mistaken. Not sure who's really at fault, but probably me for not paying too much attention. But yeah, we're just gonna assess the damage on Project Adam and see how bad it really is. So the airbag for the steering wheel did go off, so we will have to be replacing that. I'm actually going to go with an aftermarket steering wheel this time instead of a OEM one. Just to not have to worry about that airbag anymore. So right off the bat, the front bumper did come off. Looks like our bash bar got a little more messed up. Might have to reorder one of those actually. Our brand new hood got dented and definitely pushed up. It doesn't sit right anymore. Luckily, I don't think any other radiator got damaged, but we'll have a quick look right now. So it doesn't look like the radiator got damaged at all, or anything else with you. Actually, looks like we got a couple vents here and there. Looks like this got bent down some. That shouldn't be too bad. I think overall we had minimal damage though, which is really good. The front bumper definitely took the brunt of the damage. Got a hole here. Another hole here, a lot of scratches. Completely broken on this side. The grill got a little messed up. Not too bad. Might still end up reusing it, honestly. So, unfortunately, the 99 hood that I do got, as well as the 98, which is the year of my car, are discontinued by Honda now, so I'm gonna have to try to find another one a different way. So I actually did order a new front bumper a while back to replace the 99 to 2000 front bumper, just because that one wasn't fitting too well. The fitment was a little off, especially on the fenders. It was actually going over a little, so I decided to go ahead and order one. So now that the other one is messed up, we'll definitely be putting this one on. I'll show you guys the part number from Honda, and I'll show you guys the front bumper real quick. So that is the 96 to 98 front bumper right there. I had said that I was gonna reuse the grill, but it looks like the damage is a little more than I thought, so I have to excuse me, might have to be on the lookout for another one. Unfortunately, those are discontinued as well, so it's gonna be a bit of a search, but hopefully not too bad. That is the 98 front end part number. Well, luckily all the damage seems to be mostly just exterior, just the front bumper and the grill and the hood, obviously. So just a matter of finding the parts, ordering them, and putting them on. That's it for today. You guys drive safer than me, and I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys on the next one. One last thing, if you guys aren't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop some comments, smash the like button, and be safe out there.